So I was looking at pictures of cat loafs on Reddit. Cat loafs are when they fold their little legs up underneath them and I look like a loaf of bread. I saw that I posted a picture of my little Sadie in a shoebox all folded up. And then looking at all those pictures made me sad. Seeing all those kitties. I guess it makes me miss my Miss Kitty, my Mr. Kitty. Sadie likes to fold up still. Just wonder what it would be like if Mr. Kitty and Miss Kitty was still around. No, Miss Kitty was 17 years old when she died last year. So she'd be 18. She was still alive. She was getting skinny when she was getting close to dying. And then on the morning, took her to the day she died, she couldn't get up. Her back half could get up, not her front half. So we had to take her to the vet, and they put her to sleep there. I guess the same thing happened to Mr. Kitty. And the same thing's gonna happen to Sadie and Pepper. So I told them I didn't want them. I have to do that all over again. 2 more times. And I can't, and 50. I can't take care of Sadie or Pepper. If anything happens. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I've gotten those kitties. She's never gotten any cats.